If your living room or family room is cramped and cluttered, the last thing you'll want to do is spend time in there. That is, unless you trick your eye into thinking the space is bigger than it appears. It's not magic, it's just smart styling. Get ready to pin all these tips and transform your small space into a comfortable, stylish oasis for you and your house guests to hang out in. When it's done, you'll love the room so much that you'll never want to leave it. 1. Let the light pour in. If your living room has access to a ton of natural light, don't block it out with dark curtains. Let light pour in to make the space feel more airy and open. Even if you don't have large windows and tons of sunlight, choose lighter shades to maximize the light you do have. 2. Play with scale. Don't be afraid of making a big statement in a small space. There's a difference between clutter and well-curated collections and dramatic design moments. In this modest living room, we love how the over-the-top, formal chandelier creates contrast and intrigue. 3. Choose a large rug. Choosing a larger rug even in a bold pattern is a trick that makes a room feel bigger. Unlike smaller rugs, the large size doesn't visually break up the floor. This can also help anchor the space and give you a good staple piece to design the rest of the room around. Corner seating can also help you get more out of your space. 4. Keep it cozy. Leaning into the smallness of a space can actually be what makes it feel genuinely cozy and inviting. Keep seating close together and intimate, and choose a plush, soft rug. This is especially well advised if you're decorating a small family room, where you'll want things to be super welcoming and functional. 5. Pick a dark paint color. Dark, glossy walls create a sophisticated backdrop for simple, clean line pieces and even colorful, bold items. Use the small space to your advantage and make it feel like a jewel box. Painting your ceilings the same color can enhance the sense of intimacy even further. 6. Make it multi-purpose. When space is lacking, the only option is to get creative and make things multi-purpose. For example, if you don't have room for a separate living room, family room, and home office, combine each concept into one space. This living room and office proves that the right layout and pieces can look great, no matter what shape or size the room. 7. Take advantage of high ceilings. Even if you're lacking in square footage and surface space, you can get a lot of mileage out of high ceilings. To take advantage of that vertical space, accentuate tall windows with high curtains and a show-stopping wallpaper. Also, curtains hung well above a window add airiness and height to a small room. Keep the curtain design basic, but use extra fabric for fullness.